Hey guys, today we've partnered with the Guyana National Road Safety Council to repaint a few pedestrian crossings and signs along the Woolford Avenue. It's all about enhancing safety and accessibility in our communities.
The markings on the road is the language of the road. We're out here starting off the campaign of ensuring all crossings, signs are painted before the opening of the new school term on the 3rd of September. We want to thank Rams Logistics for being the first person to reach out to us. And as you can see, we have covered a lot of the schools.
The pedestrian crossings and the road signs, we see that as a key, and the chamber, the private sector, we are in full support of what the Road Safety Council is doing in collaboration with other private companies.
Let's make Georgetown a safer place together.